Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Um,
Hi, hello.
I just need to tell you that I have a student calling in about 12 minutes, if they're on
12
time.
minutes?
Yeah, and
I
you've
think
got,
it's, yeah, I think it's
yeah,
okay. It's okay for
you're
me, 12
okay?
minutes. Yeah, no
Sometimes
problem. Yeah,
they don't call, so you might get all
yeah, because
18.
sometimes people want to keep a conversations going for like 30 minutes. So
Yeah, yeah.
it's much better for the students to
hmm
talk about different stuff and
Yeah.
have a good conversation. But it's
Uh-huh.
okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, no
So
problem. So,
my name
yeah.
is Beck, and
Mm-hmm.
I'm from Australia, and I live in Thailand.
Nice.
Mhm.
And my name is Jafar. I'm from Morocco,
Oh, wow.
and I live in
Okay.
Morocco.
Okay. Awesome.
Yeah.
And are you like, I'm just trying to guess here, intermediate or advanced?
I don't know.
You're not sure either? Okay, no problem.
Yeah, I'm not thinking about it, to think
Yes.
to which level I am at. So yeah, I think sometimes it's frustrating to think about this
hmm
thing, and try to
Yeah.
look which level are you, and yeah, just
Yeah.
keep going and don't think about it. Yeah,
Very good point, actually. Yeah.
yeah.
So
And
what are your
what do you think about that? How can we measure our level? Do you have any idea?
Um, I guess the difference with advanced is that you just start using a lot more professional words.
Mm-hmm.
Um, you start working on really small pronunciation difficulties. Like you
Yeah.
get really fussy, if you know the word fussy, really picky
Fast.
about small things.
Yeah. Picky.
Picky. Do you
Yeah.
know either of those
Picky.
words?
I know it.
Fussy,
Yeah.
picky? Okay,
Mm-hmm.
great. hmm Yeah. So,
Yeah. I
like, I
understand.
have a few students, and now we're just working
Mm-hmm.
on sounds, like pronouncing TH
Sound.
sound. So, for the last two
Oh my
weeks,
God.
we've
Yeah.
just worked on L, R, and TH sounds. Yeah,
I see.
because
Yeah. So you're working with students on their pronunciation.
mhm. So when you get
Mm-hmm.
really advanced, and I can't make corrections in grammar anymore, um, you're using more professional words, then I'm going to, the last thing left is pronunciation on
Yeah.
difficult
I
words.
see.
So, yeah, it just depends what it is that you would love to work on too, where you feel, okay, you've got some weak areas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. For me,
Uh-huh.
I had some problems with pronunciation before, but
hmm
I don't know. I wasn't like practicing every day, but I was listening to English.
hmm
But it's kind of developed like that. So I
Yes.
wasn't like in front of a mirror and trying to make the sounds, but yeah, I went to YouTube and saw some videos, watched
Uh-huh.
some videos,
Uh-huh. hmm
and just get the idea. Then after,
hmm
when I listened, and I just, sometimes I do some shadowing. You know,
Uh-huh. Yes.
I just move my tongue without saying
Uh-huh.
the sound because I'm at work. I can use my earphones and
Uh-huh.
listen, and I'm kind of moving my tongue.
Yes.
And by time it developed just like that, normally,
Uh-huh.
naturally,
Uh-huh.
and it's really useful. Yeah, I'm not,
Y-
going crazy about it. I have to
Yeah.
see that sound, so I just let it be normal.
Yeah, yeah. But I can tell you've got like either you've got a pretty good ear or you've put in a lot of practice because your accent's like pretty small on your words and
Hmm.
your pronunciation's quite clear.
Yeah,
So,
it's all because of listening.
uh-huh. hmm
Yeah, yeah, listening helps a lot when it comes to also fluency
Yes.
because, yeah, you know.
Uh-huh.
The magic of listening. So I don't have to tell you about
Actually, I speak another language too. So
it.
I and unfortunately, so I speak Thai language because I live in Thailand. But it's
Nice.
tonal, which means you can have one word, and the way you sing the word changes the meaning of the word.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
So it's pretty hard, but I have a pretty good musical ear. So it's really helped me where some people just can't get
Yeah.
it. Yeah. So some people have a great ear for hearing the sound and the clarity and pronunciation of the sound.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where some just don't have that gift as well. Yeah.
I don't know. It's because at the beginning it was like boring for me to just keep listening, but you can
Hmm.
develop that skill of listening. By
Yeah.
time just listen like 15 minutes, then go to 1 hour. Sometimes
Hmm.
I listen to 5 hours, so just podcast and something like that. I'm not thinking about like yeah, because I work for 8 hours and I'm just in front of a screen designing. So
Uh-huh.
I'm
Oh,
just putting
yeah.
like someone
Uh-huh.
talking in my ears, and it's
Uh-huh.
really good, and it's really
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah. Oh, that's a great idea. I'm always after
Yeah,
ideas too. So are you, I
yeah,
mean, you might be at home right now, but normally would you be in an office at work?
yeah. In
Okay.
an
And so you
office.
just put your earphones in and work away on your projects.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah. Sometimes, yeah, I can listen to music, but I just listen for like 15 minutes. Then I just yeah, I need to go back and listen to something.
Yeah.
I like to hear someone speaking in my ears, not like
Ah.
screaming.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
I
So,
love music, but
people can develop that skill. Yeah.
yeah, I can't focus if music is on what I'm doing. I end up focusing on the music, not my work.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah. Well,
Oh,
for
that's
me, it was hard, at first to focus on my work and listen to, but now it's just works like that.
aha.
Sometimes I'm working without listening to something, and it just feel, no, I need something in my ears.
Yes. Yes.
So I just put it and I just keep going.
Ah, that's awesome. It's a
Yeah,
really good
and it's really
idea.
helpful.
Yeah. So,
Yeah,
okay. I don't know very much about Morocco. Can you tell me a little
yeah.
bit about it?
Oh, yeah. I don't know because I don't know a lot about my country too. Yeah. So Morocco is you know, it's a North African country.
Hmm.
We are located in the north, you know, and we have two coastlines. We have the Mediterranean, we have the
Okay.
Atlantic Ocean,
Hmm.
and we are bordered by Algeria and Mauritania, and there is
Oh,
Spain in the other side.
okay.
Yeah, and we have like the weather here is a Mediterranean weather,
Okay. Hmm.
so it's dry and hot in summer
Okay.
and cold in
Oh,
winter. So
yeah.
yeah,
Yes, that makes sense. Are you considered part of Europe, or what are you considered to be part of a group?
no, we are not a part of Europe. We are a
Okay.
part of Africa. You're right.
Okay. I
Yeah,
wasn't sure. I knew that you were close, so I had a kind of idea where.
yeah, we're
But
close. Actually, Spain is just right there, just 14
yeah.
kilometers between Spain and my city.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's why I was like trying to remember my map. I was like, are you Africa? Are you Europe? I'm not quite. somewhere
Yeah,
in there.
exactly. You can
I
just look
remember.
it up in Google and just,
Yeah, I'll have to do that.
yeah.
I'm slowly learning about a
Yeah.
lot of countries. Um,
Yeah. And how long have you been here on Cambly?
6 months. Yeah.
So you got the chance to know a lot of people from different countries.
Yeah, and I find it so interesting too. Like one
Hmm.
day I'm talking to a lawyer, a doctor, an engineer. I'm talking
Yeah.
to politicians and civil servants and people who've lived in so many countries around the world. And I'm slowly learning
Yeah.
where all the cities are, and I've put some maps on my wall so I have an idea.
Yeah.
But it's fun,
So
actually.
now you have the chance to know the world, because
Yeah,
people
like
are coming and
a
telling you
little
about their
taste.
countries.
And I love to find out, like, where have you been? What's your favorite
Hmm.
place? Maybe one day I'll get to travel and see some of those places. So, yeah, I hope so.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah,
Yeah, you're traveling just here. Yeah.
yeah. Um, my
Yeah, it's nice.
student has turned up and he is on time
Ah,
today. Yeah, the
yeah,
student who
okay.
booked. So it was
Yeah.
really nice to meet you, though.
Thank you
I've
so
never
much.
talked to someone
It
from
was,
Morocco.
yeah.
You're really fluent too, so
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
so easy
Thank
to
you
talk
so
with
much.
you.
Yeah.
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 All
Thank
right.
you and have a good time.
You
Enjoy
too.
your next session. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.